Have you ever found anything that has helped you previously? Well, now I'm 100% sure you'd be able to use these websites I'm about to share with you. These are never-before-seen websites in which you can make money online, and it gets much better as it is all for free. I'll show you 3 websites which can easily pay you cash. These apps are all separate and have no connection with each other in any way. With these 3 sites, you can make lots of money. These 3 can of course be visited on whatever gadget you have. You may use your mobile phone, computer, or tablet. These sites will unquestionably help you in generating money without having to do anything at all. But before we dive into the tutorial, welcome to Online Cash Flow, where we teach you how to make money online fast and easy. Make sure to smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will be always updated whenever I post new content on how to make money online. Please like this video and leave a comment down below if you have any questions and any suggestions. But first, you should have your own PayPal account. That should be active. If you still don't have one yet, no worries. I'll share with you how to have one. The very first step is to go to their website, paypal.com, and select the sign up button. Please remember that this whole process is entirely free. Once you click the sign up button, the next step is to enter out the necessary information. That is mostly personal in exchange for them to get to know you better. And with all those easy steps completed, you can now log into your PayPal account, which will be used eventually when you begin making money. Nevertheless, if you do not like being paid via PayPal for some reason, you can easily go to your webpage and browse for an online bank account in your country with no extra cost. Now that they will have a process to transmit the fee to you, you are now ready to start. With this video, I'm going to use my PC so that you can really understand it clearly. But as I stated previously, you can use whatever gadget you would like. As I said before, these techniques are completely new off the internet and have not yet been launched to our channel. These will create earnings inactively, which indicates that you won't really do anything. For our first website, it's the Money SMS app that you can open via your browser, smartphone, or computer as long as you have an internet connection. Of course, with the Money SMS app, you can make money online easily by receiving system-generated SMS texts, which is remarkably easy. All you must do is download this to the gadget you're using and sign up for an account. Once you've created your account, you can start generating money by expecting some random messages should be sent to you and certainly enabling them to come through, since that's your revenue generator right there. By the way, you can just abandon those messages alone since you won't have to respond to either of them, and they do not even consist any importance, so you can delete them immediately and yet still make money. You can gain knowledge about the overall system on their website and see it all. This only functions on an Android device since only Android enables apps to read SMS messages, which seems to be the main premise of the Money SMS app. So it's not likely to perform on iOS yet though. If you're suspicious, don't be, since I spent some time diving deep into this app and there are really thousands of contented users from all across the globe, and they end up sharing the same positive feeling. People are really satisfied by how the app is operating for all of them and how effortlessly they are getting paid. This will only read those sent out by their system, which includes your direct messages, login details, and other info. Let me tell you how awesome the process, since it just appears to work naturally. You don't have to do something for this to operate, and the fun will not stop there, since there's a referral program in which you can encourage others to join this application. And if you do get 30% of their profits, it will never end, since your $30 earnings will progress for as long as you live. So you can certainly invite your friends to join. How fun is that? And just to make it perfectly clear, the app is absolutely free and you will never have to pay for it. Simply sign up and follow the instructions outlined above to receive automatic messages so you can begin to earn immediately. But before we continue with the video, thank you for making it this far. What are your thoughts about the video? Are you getting more excited to earn money online? Let us know. We love to hear from you. Please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Now back to the video. Okay, so now let's go to the website together where you will see the dashboard and enter your referral code. It's the one you'll provide to your family and friends to invite them to join the app. Keep in mind to be proactive and innovative in order to promote more participants to enter so that you can make more money. To broaden your reach, share your code on social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Remember to think outside the box because we're discussing about 30% of your friends' profits. 30 is actually quite impressive. Contemplating all you have to do was encourage them and voila! So keep inviting as many folks as you can because as they say, the more the merrier. Then you might be curious to know if it's even trustable since everything seems quite unbelievable with how good money can get. Actually, you can see it for yourself as there is a clear evidence of payment section as shared by plenty of users, and the app tends to take all the appropriate steps to ensure that it complies with the updated GDPR privacy rules. Everything is free, so go ahead and learn whatever you need to understand by viewing their website. If you're relatable with passive income, the next website I'll share to you works in a similar way. But just don't leave yet because the last app I'll show you will function on any operating system. So if you can use an iOS or an Android device, make sure to keep an eye till the end of the video to understand about these easy ways to make money online. The site is called cashmagnetapp.com. So we're still continuing to work our way up to the top, beginning with the app with the poorest income output and concluding with the app with the top income yield. If you love playing games or watching fun videos, you should not be frustrated with this app. Cash Magnet will ask you to play games or watch entertaining ads in order to get money. You can even actually earn money immediately because the instant you download and install the app, you will begin to generate income. Your choices available are also unlimited since you can use as many devices as you want. You can make a profit sitting at home or even doing your daily activities such as studying, spending time with friends, napping, watching films, doing housework, and everything else. Because the overall process is just to function. You must be capable of maintaining this habit daily as it will only take a few minutes of your time, so you can simply leave your phone after setting one up. Many users from all continents of the world already had expressed their contentment at eventually achieving enough spending power to have those things they've hoped for. And so you can become one of those participants and have those things you've had on interest in, including those gadgets you wanted ever since. All you must do is download and install the app so you can finally buy the stuff you want. Oh, and before I forget, the app is incredibly safe, and your private details will not be publicly disclosed or sold. No need for you to be worried about any of it because these apps are all entirely free, and you can generate income with them while doing nothing. And at last, we're getting towards the end of this video, so I'll inform you about the final app for today. With this app, you can earn lots of money while doing something I notice you love doing, which would be listening to music. As promised, this app will work on both Android and iOS, so just use whatever one you prefer. Well, don't expect any complaints that they simply do not work because trust me, they do. Simply download the app and afterwards listen to some music to accumulate points on the app. Make this your main music platform since the more music you listen to, more and more points you'll receive and the more cash you'll receive on this app. You can explore more music as they have access with over 1,000 radio channels anywhere to locate that audio that you really like. This app can be downloaded in all countries worldwide. Then you can use it no matter where you will be. You can generate more points by streaming more songs and use those points to purchase whatever you like. To summarize, this application is free and allows you to listen to your favorite tracks. If you do want to learn so much about the app and how it works, go over to their official site and learn whatever you need to know. And that's it. If this video helped you a lot, we appreciate you finishing it until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you will be updated on any videos that we will be uploading. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave any comments down below. Bye!